Hiking in London Club in Cinque Terre National Park. As a passionate hiker, I recently set out on a journey to explore the picturesque coastal towns of the Cinque Terre National Park in Italy. With its stunning cliffs, crystal clear waters and breathtaking views, this park is a true national wonder and a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the beauty of Italy's coastline. The Cinque Terre National Park is home to 5 charming coastal towns: Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore. Each town offers its own unique charm and character, making it the perfect place for a leisurely hike through the park. My journey started in Monterosso al Mare, a small town known for its sandy beaches, quiet fishing village atmosphere, and the famous statue of Neptune. From Monterosso, I made my way to Vernazza, where I took a stroll through the narrow streets lined with colourful buildings, before stopping for a bite to eat at one of the town's many cafes and restaurants. Next, I hiked to Corniglia, a hilltop town that offers stunning views of the surrounding coastline and a peaceful atmosphere. From Corniglia, I continued on to Manarola, a town that is often referred to as the most picturesque of the Cinque Terre, with its pastel-coloured houses, picturesque harbour, and scenic walking trails. My final stop was in Riomaggiore, a town that is known for its steep, narrow streets and its charming old-world feel. After a day of hiking and exploring the Cinque Terre National Park, I made my way back to Monterosso, where I enjoyed a sunset dinner overlooking the ocean. In conclusion, the Cinque Terre National Park is a truly breathtaking destination and a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the beauty of Italy's coastline. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just looking for a leisurely stroll, the park is sure to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, grab your hiking shoes, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure through the Cinque Terre National Park.